On this, and Willis is an advocate of the High Court and also a Secretary General Safina Party. Have the promises been kept when it comes to the cost of living?
No promise has been kept. In fact, let me say this. The facts speak for themselves. I listened to the ministers speaking. I can tell you no Kenyan remembers what they said. The facts speak for themselves. They are not even able to articulate what issues are. When they came into office, the Kenyans were far much better in terms of their economic condition than they are today. You measure government based on the positive impact that it has on Kenyans. Last year, Kenyans were buying food, were able to access services at a higher rate than they are today. Today, it is more and more pain. In fact, when you listen even to the Bwananchi, this is the studios that was what was being covered before, people are just complaining about food. We are now reduced to a situation where all that is promised that we are sure will come is more taxation. We have reached a point where we're going to even tax swimming. Swimming, which somebody sees as a luxury, but in essence, it's more of a life skill. It can save your life. It's even a sport. But Kenya Kwanza has not kept any promise. In fact, if you look at the promise they've kept, the initial ones that could be mentioned, maybe somebody will tell you that we've appointed judges. That has now been reduced to mambo ni matatu. Mambo ni matatu, which is outside the rule of law rubric. So for me, I'll give them a D-, and D- just for appearing.
Na labda pengine Trevor, kama kabla kuingilia Faith, kuna swala moja